Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make potato buns. I am Rosie and you are welcome to my kitchen. For this recipe, you will need potatoes. Here I have some Irish potatoes. I will start by washing the potatoes. And to that, I will add salt. And I use salt just to kill any germs on the vegetables. You can use vinegar as well. And I'll be using sponge. It's best to wash your fruits and vegetables before you start peeling or cutting them. Once that is done, I will rinse the salt off the potatoes. Next, peel the potatoes, and I'm using a potato peeler. You can use a knife to do this as well. And this is how much I took out from the potatoes I showed earlier on. And when it's ready, I'm going to be using a scale to weigh the one I will be using as well. And potato buns is very delicious. It's a must try recipe. So that is done. Cut the potatoes, and I'll be cutting it small and cut them about equal size so that they can cook about the same time. And that is done. Transfer the cut potatoes inside the pot. Add water. Cover and transfer it to the stove top to cook until the potatoes are tender. So right here, the potato is been cooking now. I'm going to check. I use a fork and the potato is ready. So turn off the stove and drain out the water. Then transfer the potatoes inside a bowl and mash the potatoes. I'm using a potato masher. You can use a spoon to do this as well. Once that is done, put that aside. Here I have butter, milk. In a large bowl, add flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, sugar, salt. Add salt to your taste, baking powder, nutmeg for flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. And if you don't like flavor, you can also make it without adding any flavor. Whisk the dry ingredients together. Add butter. You can use margarine as well, and the butter is at room temperature. Mix it with the flour until everything is nicely combined. I'm using a pastry blender. You can also do it by hand as well. And that is done. In a large bowl, crack in 2 eggs. And the eggs came with 2 yolks. Be sure to use 2 eggs, and this is simply good luck. If you're watching this video, I pray that God will surprise you with double miracle. Next, add the mashed potatoes, and I measured it out. Be sure to measure yours. Add the eggs. Add milk gradually till you get the right consistency, and the milk is at room temperature. I'm using evaporated milk. You can use any milk of your choice. So we mix it until we get a smooth paste. Buns dough should not be too thick and it should not be too light. So this is how you want the consistency to be. Once that is done, cover and leave it to relax for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the gluten can relax. And while that is resting, in a pan, add in some oil for deep frying. You can use any frying oil of your choice, but not red palm oil. And it's been 10 minutes, so it's time to start frying the buns. I will check if the oil is hot, and to that I like to use a skewer. Once you see bubbles around, that means the oil is hot. You can also cut a little bit inside to know if the oil is hot. And I will be using ice cream scoop. You can also use any spoon or hand as well. Fry on medium heat. If the oil is too hot, the buns is going to get burnt without cooking inside it. Be sure to fry on medium heat. Potato buns are very delicious. This buns is crunchy outside, but it's just going to melt in your mouth. This is a must-try recipe. Flip the buns frequently so it doesn't get burnt. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how yours came out, but be sure to follow the measurement, and the list of everything I use will be down in the description box below. Flip the buns frequently so they can fry evenly. And once they are golden brown, take them out of the oil. Transfer them on a paper towel to take out any excess oil. And repeat the process with the rest of the buns dough. And don't forget to turn off the stove when you are done. And here are the potato buns. They are ready. Very crunchy outside, but super moist inside. I will open so you guys can see what it looks, and you can even see the potatoes in it. Can you imagine that? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.